Hey, what's up, kids? Got a 2012 Chevy Cruze with a 1.4 liter turbo. We're doing the intake turbo cooler line, which is this right here. It's located right here, vehicle. But to get to it, you got to take off the shield. So just a little heat shield. There's a 1, 2, 3 little E10s, like where that damn bolt go? Anyways, you can use a 8mm to get them off, an 8mm socket, but it's like an E10 or whatever. Now, this is the new part right here, right? So obviously it's different. We're gonna transfer this clamp right here, and then hopefully I don't have to take off this nut right here. I hope there's not a fucking nut under there. Anyways, and then take off this looks like another inverted Torx kind of deal. So I'm gonna take this off right here, unscrew that. Hopefully there's no nut right here. Oh, it is. I can feel it. I wonder if I can go in through the top. So I gotta see how I'm gonna get this bolt off down here. Or really, I could probably leave this part here if I wanted to. Unscrew here, take this off, and just screw this in here. You know, run it through here, put this in, and then put the clamp in there. Leave the old part there if you don't want to fuck with that bolt down there. Okay, this line right here that's leaking, I thought it go here to there. No, this line is this. That's not the leak. This is the leaking one right here. It's leaking right there. Right fucking here. But it looked like the fucking clamp. I might be able to fucking take this off and just clamp it right here, because that's what it looked like. So this is the wrong line. So this right here goes right here. This is where it's leaking right here. So all I did is took this off. I'm gonna put a clamp on it and see if that works. Okay, so I got the pressure test on it. We got 15 psi, which is what you're supposed to pressurize it to, and no more leaking. Before, you would see it drip, drip, drip. You see that how it's orange and rusted on that hose right there? This metal line turns orange there. Well, that's because all the water was coming out right here, dripping on there, causing it to rust. But it's not anymore. So when I told the guy to order the part, I thought that this line goes here to here. So I was like, okay, quick, easy job, 40 bucks. But no. This right here goes that way. So you have to take off the fucking exhaust, the fucking turbo, just to get to it. Because there's no way you're gonna get a wrench under there to turn the head that goes in there. Matter of fact, that's it right there. See? Right there. Right there. That's it right there. So it goes here, and then it goes that way. It goes from here to here, and that it ends up right there. And that's it right there. You can see it right there. So, I mean, I don't think you can get a wrench on that right there from here. I know I mean, maybe you could, but it would just be hard to, you know, put it in there and actually bolt it in. You'd probably have to take this off right here. Unless you come up like through here, you could probably take this off right here and then go in through here and then try to, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. So the quickest and easiest way to do that, to fix this fucking line without having to take off this shit, just fucking put a clamp on it right here. Replace this hose. That's all you gotta do, is replace this hose, put a clamp on it. That's, instead of doing fucking 4 or 5 hours of labor doing this. Okay? So that's a pro tip. I just saved you 5 hours. I just saved you from having to fucking take this off. If you like the pro tips, man, the quick and easy fixes. See, I like working easy. I like working smart. I don't like working hard. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel, baby. Get all the pro tips. You know what I'm saying? You missing out. You missing out. Everybody else be on YouTube making these videos how to take apart all this crap, and you don't have to do that. You're just wasting your time and your energy. You could be doing better things with your life, huh? Right? Like going to the gym or something. Spending time with your family. All right. Anyways, love you guys. Thanks for watching the video.